High in the green canopy lived a noisy parrot named Kiko, who loved the sound of his own voice. He repeated everything he heard, speaking loudly and often, interrupting others in the forest. Nearby lived a quiet owl named Sina, who listened carefully and spoke only when necessary. One afternoon, Kiko spread a false rumor about a coming danger, simply because he misunderstood a passing conversation. The forest animals panicked, hiding and fleeing without knowing the truth. Sina calmly observed the signs and realized there is no danger at all. She explained the truth to the animals, restoring peace while Kiko felt embarrassed by the trouble he caused. From that day on, Kiko learned that words have power, and listening wisely is more important than speaking loudly.